All right, let's bring up the instructions to make breakfast. Got our ingredients together. At first I tried to use the whole flax seeds, but thanks to Ralph, he told me to grind them up. So I just used a blender and mixed it with water like the instructions say. So now I'm going to put this in the fridge and then I will get to mashing these bananas. So I've got the bananas mashed. I actually just used this fork, worked surprisingly well. And now I think we just need to wait 15 minutes until the flax eggs are done and follow the instructions to mix in the cinnamon and coconut oil and cacao powder, and then we'll fry them up. Batter all mixed. Time for frying. I just tried flipping the first one and it was a little bit hard to flip, so I might wait a little bit less per scoop. It would have been easier to flip them. But yeah, they look and taste pretty great. All right, getting the stuff together for lunch too. Got our ingredients up, getting things together. Got the spices in the back, some of the main ingredients in front. Time to get to chopping. All right, getting the onions going for lunch. Saute them for 5 minutes like the instructions said. And then we will add the seasonings in and we'll be on our way. I don't know about you, but I love the smell of onions cooking with olive oil or butter, and garlic too. Mm. So we got the carrots and the stock in. Time to bring it to a boil and let it simmer. Starting to smell really amazing with all these spices in there. All right, we've got the soup almost done. Got to add some oregano and then time to taste it. I actually love soups like this, so I'm quite excited. I've been making a lot of soup lately, getting more into all the different options there are with veggie soups and everything. So I just finished sampling lunch out of my mug. Not sure if you drink soup out of mugs, but I guess I do. Yeah, it's really good. I really like the flavor, and my friend actually walked in when I was cooking and mentioned how amazing it smelled. So I think it's definitely a soup that I will be making in the future, or at least allow it to inspire my soups in the future because, like I said, I love soup, and I don't make pureed soups enough, but I really like them, especially when you can garnish it with something like the oregano and the chickpeas. So, yeah, I hope that you enjoy this lunch and have fun making it. Okay, time for dinner. It's nice because we don't have to actually cook anything this time, just mix it up. So, got all my ingredients here. Avocado, onion. I didn't actually have red onion, so I'm just using yellow onion. I got the herbs, olive oil, sea salt, and apple cider vinegar. Let's go. I almost forgot one of the key ingredients, cucumber. But we got step one done. Combined cucumber, onion, and parsley and mint in a bowl. Now we will whisk together the apple cider vinegar, the olive oil, and the sea salt. Got everything whisked together nicely, and I think in the last step, I was supposed to add avocado as well in the first step, so I went ahead and did that, and now I will pour this over and mix it together. So yeah, that's it, and you gotta love simple meals like this. Definitely the easiest meal of the day to make, and it looks delicious, so can't wait to try it. All right, so I just finished eating the avocado cucumber salad for dinner, and I gotta say I really loved it. It's kind of similar to the soup earlier today. I've really been wanting to incorporate salads like that into my diet, more frequently. I eat a lot of greens, but I don't necessarily make these kind of salads that are really easy to make and taste so good. And there's so much variety with soups and salads like this. So I really like that. And yeah, the day has been really great in general for food. It's already similar to a diet that I eat. I try to eat clean, plant-based diet, so it's not that different for me. And eating less food is not necessarily a challenge for me, so maybe that's a little bit different too because I already have experience with intermittent fasting. I haven't done a prolonged fast or a FMD fast like this before, so that is different for me. So it will be interesting to see how I feel after a few days. But right now, definitely feeling good about the food and about the amount of food. So yeah, hope you're feeling good too.